Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending where you are from. My name is Rizki Audy Pasya. I'm from University of Pamulang in Indonesia. I am not a lecturer. I'm just a student. I'm making this video to explain syntax to submit to my final assignment. So what I say probably has many flaws because I am not a lecturer, as I say. But I'll try to explain about syntax as I talk about it. First of all, syntax is the study of the rules that govern the structure of sentences. Some people also say that syntax is the order of words in a sentence. We know that sentences are made of words, but how we decide the order of the words is what syntax. The rule of grammar actually gives us some kind of exception on things like this. Let's try to rephrase it. First of all, the first example is while Adib and Alif were filming, I took a break. You can rearrange this into I took a break while Adib and Alif were filming. You can see that I rearranged those words, but the meaning doesn't change a bit. But you can just randomly rearrange these words. Like, for example, like took break, I, a, Alif were, Adib filming, and I. It doesn't make any sense. Our brains are hardwired that if we make we explain those words, our brains will automatically sense that it doesn't make any sense, the words itself. So there are some things that is called a tree diagrams in syntax. In order to draw or make a tree diagram, it is really important that we understand, if not all, the lexical categories. Let's just briefly recall it here. The first one, there is a noun, there is an adjective, there is a verb, there is an adverb, there's a pronouns, there's a determiner or an article, and there's an adposition or preposition. So first one, a noun. A noun is a person, place, or a thing. An adjective is always beside noun because an adjective modifies the noun, like gentle, rough, small. A verb is something that marks an event or an action, like run, fight, or ride. An adverb describes verb, just like adjective modifies noun. In adverb usually ends with ly, like for example, vigorously, fiercely, and slowly, quickly. And now pronoun. Pronoun is like noun, but it's more like pointing at it, like that or him or her. Determiner or articles is a, an, or the. However, determiner covers more larger bases than articles, but in this case of syntax, these two can be used interchangeably. So moving on to adposition or preposition is a verb that is used before noun, hence the pre. So it shows us direction or location, like that, in, at, or on. So now let's move on to the tree diagram. The first thing we want to do is always put an S. S stands for sentence on top of the tree. So it's S, and then again it's NP and VP. Why is it NP and VP? Because sentence consists normally of NP and VP. If there are no NP and VP, there is no sentence. Sentence cannot be done without those two. So for example, she fought. We can just automatically work that she and fought under the respective diagram. We can write the she below NP and fought below FP. We have to divide it again. So NP divided again to pronouns she, and VP divided again into verb fought. Jadi so S NP pronoun, S VP be fought. So let's complicate things a bit. a huge dog eat fiercely. We can break this down as S and P, D determiner or art. It goes both ways. A huge dog. A is determiner. The art. A huge is an huge is an adjective. So A art or determiner, adj adjective, huge, and nouns, the dog. So S and P art, A and P, terus S and adjective huge, and noun dog, huge dog. So the VP part is VP, feed, verb, eats, eat verb. So VP again divided again into what is called adverb, fiercely. So that's it. S and P art or determiner, so adjective, nouns, VP, verb, and adverb. So I think that's all that I can cover about syntax. Thank you for your explanation. Please do correct me if I'm wrong. I know that I am wrong at many things in this explanation. Thank you so much.